Hey gang, welcome to KEI Fabrication. In case you haven't noticed, if you watched a lot of my videos, this is my absolute favorite tool. And watch this video to check out just how often I use it and the types of things I use it to build on the old number 7 modified. I hope you like it. Two seat tabs. Alright gang, we came in the shop and got to work right away. I'm making some seat belt or seat tabs. You've seen me do this before. I really like making gusseted tabs out of box or rectangular tubing. This is 3/16 walls, so it's nice and stout. You can see that I've got a good weld area for the seat tab and all of the gusset to attach to the tube, and it works out really nice.
if you can't afford a CNC water jet or plasma cutter, this might be your inexpensive alternative. And I'll tell you how to do that. This, in a previous life, was an old meat saw. Yes, it was a meat saw used in a butcher shop. And it was repurposed for metal fabrication. I bought this. It was still used to cut deer up and pigs and things like that. And what I did was modified it to do steel work. It didn't have a table on it. I actually flame cut this 1/2 inch thick plate and I made supports to attach the existing frame. The problem with most vertical bandsaws is they're designed for either meat or wood. The blade speed on those is incredibly fast, like 1,500 inches per minute. To cut metal, you need something about 100 inches per minute. So I removed the original motor from this, and I had a friend of mine that gifted me a 16:1 gearbox, and then I put a 1750 motor on it. And between the gearing and the sprockets that are on the motor that connects to the main drive wheel, it's got a super friendly blade speed now for metal, and I can cut anywhere from something in the 40 thousandths thick range up to 5/8 or even 3/4 inch thick range. So look around for one of these at a yard sale. If it's a heavy duty wood bandsaw that's made out of cast iron, has a cast iron frame, the price is $250 or something like that, I would say buy it, knowing that you're going to have to change the gearing to make that happen. And there are plenty of industrial supply places that have those gearboxes in place for, you know, a couple $100. So total investment, even if you got to spend money on new stuff to make it happen, a new Lovejoy coupling, a new right angle gearbox, or even a 1 horse or a 1/2 horse electric motor, you're still going to be thousands less than even an inexpensive CNC plasma table. No computers involved here, no hard drives to crash, things like that. And if you like to fabricate and you like some of the old school methods, try one of these. All right, till next time, remember, if you're going to be stupid, be smart about it.